I love having my friends over for drinks, especially my signature cocktails. My secret to perfect taste, texture, and chill in every glass is nugget ice. Unlike regular ice, nugget ice is chewable, fast chilling, and flavor absorbing. And now I can make it at home with the Opal Nugget Ice Maker. It sits right on my counter, so now I can get that craveable taste, texture, and chill anytime. I don't have to deal with bags of ice anymore, and no more driving to get nugget ice.
The closest nugget ice is 600 miles away.
Opal is very user-friendly. The container conveniently slides out, allowing you to easily refill the water reservoir. The indicator light conveys the status of the ice maker, while the lights inside show you how much ice you have. Opal is compact, yet efficient. It makes ice much faster than your standard refrigerator. It's truly a one-of-a-kind appliance that pairs affordability with convenience. And with a stainless steel design, it looks great in my kitchen.
The Monolith is the easiest to use and most intuitive electric skate ever created. This new emerging market, lightweight electric skates under 15 pounds, is a pretty exciting new frontier. It transforms your errands on a weekend or running to this corner store to pick up vegetables into an activity that you look forward to. You do all the exact same things that you do on a traditional longboard skateboard, except now you've got the power to go up a hill at 20 miles an hour.
As fans of longboarding and electric skates, we kept having issues with the existing boards on the market. They were heavy, they looked bad with their external motors and batteries, and the belts would break down, and you can't push it or ride it like a real skateboard. That's why we created an entirely new technology, and it's called Manta Drive. For the first time ever, we've actually put a motor inside the wheel of a skateboard. This has allowed us to create a powered skateboard that feels smooth, intuitive, and makes the Monolith amazingly easy to use, yet powerful.
My name is Theodore Sabaneski. I'm one of the founders and the main engineer at Inboard.
Theo and I have been action sports athletes our entire lives. We actually met when we were sponsored by the same brand. You know, from speed flying to paragliding, surfing, skating. We love these sports because of the feelings they create in us. And that's in large part due to the feel of the board. With the Monolith, in order to create the highest performance product, every aspect of the design had to be done custom.
The Manta Drive technology has allowed us to get rid of the external motor and the belts that break down.
Instead of having a motor outside of the wheel that turns a belt and then that belt turns a gear and then that gear turns a wheel, everything's already been integrated inside the wheel itself. So one, it looks really clean, but two, because there's nothing that's binding the wheel up, once you hit your top speed, you just glide and you get that coast. That's what you get with a normal skate, and that's what we wanted to create.
With removal of the external belts and gears, we've been able to reduce the weight significantly.
To create such a forward-thinking product, we knew we had to build a forward-thinking team. A team of action sport athletes with the engineering and product design skills to manifest an innovative product.
The Monolith is the only board on the market with swappable battery packs. And what this means is that you essentially have unlimited range. As soon as you start to run low on one battery, you can just swap the old for the new.
So in designing Inboard's Reflex Remote, we wanted to focus mainly on comfort and secondly on usability and then storage. So using this remote should be completely effortless. So we took a different approach with the remote design. The Reflex has a forward-facing tail. This feature will give the rider a sense of security. You can adjust or even open your hand while riding, and when you close it, it'll be right where you need it to control the board again.
In keeping with Inboard's future forward product design, we've added auxiliary USB ports onto the board. You can use this for charging your remote, or if you're at the beach and the sun's setting and your phone just ran out of battery, you can charge your phone so that you can get that one last snapshot.
Our mobile app gives you complete control of the electric skate experience. It allows you to customize your speeds, accelerations, connect with other riders, and even recap on your latest session.
The Emotive Insight is a 5-channel portable wearable device that allows you to capture and understand what's going on in your brain in real time. With the Emotive Insight, you can optimize your cognitive performance, you can measure and monitor your own or your family's mental health and fitness, and you can develop amazing new applications with the technology. We're pioneers in this field. We've listened to our user base and we've redesigned the product from the ground up. We're now reaching out to our community to help make this a reality. The Emotive Epoch, our first generation device, has been adopted and used in more than 100 countries worldwide across a broad spectrum of different application areas. Everything from being able to allow a child to create a 3D monster just with the fantasy of his or her mind, or allow people to create music just with the power of their thought, or to allow a patient to be rehabilitated by being able to control an electric wheelchair, or allow them to experience the ability to type or to communicate again. There have been so many amazing application areas and uses that have been transformative and life-changing. For anyone who loves the Epoch, you'll love this product even more because we feel like we've taken not just one generational leap, but we've taken many generational leaps. We've looked at the sensor technology, we've looked at the electronics design, we've looked at the wireless communication protocol, we've looked at the overall mechanical design, we've looked at the form factor. How do we make it more affordable? How do we make it much more skeletal, much lighter weight, much easier to wear? We're really excited to offer an API and SDK to developers and researchers wanting access to the raw EEG data or to the detection algorithms to make it possible for anyone to take this innovation and create amazing new applications with the technology.
Hey Kickstarters, my name is Mike and I'm the project leader for LightPack. LightPack is an open source device that's used to illuminate the wall behind your monitor or TV with the same colors that are currently being displayed on your screen. This creates the impression of a deeper immersion into the scene. It also visually enlarges your TV display and significantly decreases the negative effects that film viewing or prolonged focused work in a dark room may have on your eyes. The device itself is a relatively small box. Here you can see it without the cover, and 10 LED modules which are attached to your TV or computer screen. Then you plug in the power supply and connect LightPack to your PC, Mac, or home theater PC using a micro USB cable. Once you've done that, our cross-platform open source software, Prismatic, will do the rest for you. LightPack is easy to install and use. Once you've installed and set up the device, you can forget about it. Thanks to the special Prismatic software, you can use LightPack with various applications, videos, and games. You can select the screen capture mode, the static mode, or a dynamic lighting mode. The software has an open network API which allows you to control the device using your iOS or Android smartphone and to write your own plugins for LightPack. For example, using LightPack Illumination, you can create new message notifications or be notified that a friend has popped up on Skype. Using the API, you can visualize any data, for instance, CPU temperature, the amount of unread messages in your Gmail inbox, or even the time remaining until the next spell respawn in World of Warcraft. I'd like to emphasize the fact that LightPack is an open source product in the direct meaning of the term. The original software and firmware source code, the electric circuit of the device, the bill of materials for it, and the PCB layout are free to be downloaded by everyone. Moreover, we support a special DIY revision of LightPack which can be assembled at home by any technology geek. Together with my team, which is distributed geographically around the world, I've been working on the LightPack product for a couple of years. We've managed to assemble a ton of prototypes and add lots of new features to the device. Tech geeks around the world have already assembled several thousand devices using our manuals. LightPack currently has dozens of clones.
Introducing Luna, the first mattress cover that makes any bed smart. Luna learns about you and improves your sleep experience by taking care of you throughout the entire night. Through its proprietary technology, Luna learns your sleep patterns and habits and uses this knowledge to manage the temperature of your bed and communicate with your smart home devices to provide you with comfort, convenience, and security while you sleep. Temperature is one of the key elements that influences how long it takes to fall asleep. On its own, Luna will learn your regular bedtime, and before you get into bed, set it to a comfortable warm temperature, which helps you relax and fall asleep more easily. While you sleep, Luna continues to adjust your bed temperature with the option to have a different temperature on each side of the bed, so both you and your partner can set your own preferences. Luna tracks the quality of your sleep every night, including your sleep phases, heart rate, and breathing rate, so you can see how restful your sleep was without having to wear anything to bed. Luna combines all this knowledge about your night with information about your day gathered from other sources, like how much exercise you got or what you ate, and uses those insights to recommend what works best for your sleep.
90% of people have the same set of habits before going to sleep.
They set the temperature in their house, they turn off lights, and they lock their door. In the future, all these will be automatized. Smart locks, smart thermostats, smart lights. And we want to take care of all these habits for you, so you will not have to do them again every night.
For example, whenever you fall asleep, Luna will send a signal to your smart home devices, making sure your door is locked, TV and lights are off, and your alarm is set for the next morning. Luna's built-in smart alarm wakes you at the right moment of light sleep, helping you forget about groggy mornings. When you step out of bed, your Wi-Fi connected coffee machine can start brewing automatically, so you always wake up to the smell of fresh coffee.
During the design process, we really wanted Luna to be as invisible as possible, so we didn't want to give you a feeling of technology in your bed.
Luna is washable, it's super thin, so it won't affect the comfort of your mattress, and it's a low voltage product, which means it's completely safe.
Skybell is a Wi-Fi enabled digital doorbell that allows you to see, hear, and speak to the person at your door, no matter where you are or what you're doing.
Looks like a solicitor.
Oh, that's okay. The babysitter will get the call.
When a visitor presses the button, Skybell sends an alert to everyone in your family, and each person can choose to accept or ignore the call. If you answer it, you'll see, hear, and speak to the person at your door.
Hi, Kate, it's me.
Hi, Sarah. So happy you're here. Come on in, I'm in the kitchen.
Skybell is more than just a doorbell with a video camera. It's a smart device with exclusive features that give you even more convenience and control over answering your door. Skybell's motion sensor can detect when someone is front of the door, even if they don't press the button. A rotatable camera and invisible night vision technology helps you see your visitor at night without them knowing. The on-demand feature lets you open the live video feed at any time and look out your Skybell camera directly from the app.
Oh, hey, I'll be there in just a sec.
Together, these smart features provide you with more convenience, safety, and control over answering your door.
When I'm home alone and the doorbell rings, it can be unsettling and kind of inconvenient. With Skybell, I can see who's on the other side before I even answer the door.
The idea was born from everyday situations. I mean, don't you wish you could know who's at the door before you stop what you're doing to answer it? Want to see who's there when you're not home but the kids are? And what about when it's dark? Well, we're making all that possible, and we're doing it with minimal design and cutting-edge technology. So how does it work? Oh, hold on, someone's at my door. Hey, John.
Hey, Andrew, want to go to the beach?
Yeah, I'm already down here. Why don't you come down to our usual spot?
Okay, I'll be there soon.
Installing Skybell is easy. Simply remove your old doorbell and attach the same 2 wires to Skybell. Secure the device to the wall with 4 screws and use the security set screw to secure the device to the mounting plate. Only you can remove the device once it's installed, and your home's doorbell chime will still work. Skybell connects to your home's Wi-Fi, and you receive the feed over Wi-Fi, 3G, and 4G LTE. The front features a button, day and night vision camera,
microphone, and advanced motion sensor. The cover is made of hardened plastics that won't rust or interfere with the Wi-Fi signal. It's rugged and it'll work in harsh conditions.